Welcome back, adventurers. Today I'm taking you on a mini journey through the beautiful trails of Altadena. I did not want to bore you with a long hiking video. It felt great to be one with nature. This is one of my favorite hikes to clear my mental. Every time I reach the top, I like to do some push-ups. So here I'm doing about 1,000. No, I'm just kidding. I did about 100 push-ups here, and look at that beautiful view behind me. After the hike, it's time to refuel the body. And what better way to do that than with some mouth-watering pan-seared chicken wings and mixed vegetables. I have some leftover corn on the cob from a prior outing. So I'm just shaving off the kernels. I'm going to pretty much just cut up the peppers, the broccoli, onions, and just saute them. So I'm gonna season the chicken, cook it, and then I'm gonna take these veggies and saute them in the flavor from the chicken. So I have some lemon pepper seasoning here. I'm gonna mix everything. Just preparing the veggies. I'm doing this more the lazy way. Cooking just for fuel, not presentation.